found the paper bag, didn't you? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Aww. You're so cute. So am I going to have to leave this paper bag in here for you? Probably still smell like grass from the cut in the yard. Yeah, you're such a good boy. Yeah. I know. I should be getting ready for bed soon. Don't worry, I will. Let's see your eyes. Come on, let's see if you got any eye boogers. Come on. Come here. Ah, I know how much you don't like it, but it's gotta be done.